Seattle Humane recently took in a transfer of 2-month-old puppies with ringworm. Ringworm is not a worm, but is actually a fungus similar to athlete's foot in humans. Many shelters lack the capacity to isolate and treat pets with ringworm, which results in euthanasia to avoid spreading the fungus to the rest of the population. Seattle Humane has designated spaces for treating pets with infectious diseases and communicable infections. But we can also provide the tools and resources needed to adopters interested in providing care and treatment to these pets in a loving home instead. These puppies are all available through Seattle Humane's Foster to Adopt program, where adopters can bring them home to foster until their ringworm infection clears and then finalize their adoption afterward. Seattle Humane will provide people with everything they need to care for these puppies and to treat their ringworm infection. This includes a daily pill that can be mixed into a treat and lime dip treatment that must be completed twice a week. Lime dipping dogs and cats involves applying a liquid lime and sulfur solution diluted in water all over their bodies. All of the supplies needed for the lime dip application will be provided through our foster care team. Your foster puppy or any pet with a ringworm infection will need to be confined to a spare bathroom or other space in the home that is easy to sanitize, and anyone interacting with them will need to wear personal protective equipment as people can get ringworm. Proper PPE use and sanitation should help you avoid getting ringworm, which for people can be treated with a topical ointment. You will want to sanitize the area following a lime dip treatment to ensure any spores in the room are also eliminated. How do you know if your ringworm foster pet is improving? You will notice their lesions starting to heal and their skin clearing up, of course, but you will also be collecting a weekly culture sample to provide to Seattle Humane to track their progress. This is done by rubbing the pet with a toothbrush around the infected areas, sealing them in a plastic bag, and scheduling a drop-off here. Again, all of these supplies will be provided by our foster care team, which will be your point of contact for the entire foster period. It is important to make sure the culture sample is collected prior to a lime dip treatment. While ringworm can take several weeks to clear, we know that the special attention and care provided in a home results in eliminating the fungus more quickly and with less stress than in a shelter environment. If you feel up to the task and want to help these puppies or any other shelter pets in our care needing a little extra TLC and bi-weekly lime dips before adoption, please fill out an online pre-adoption questionnaire to be put in touch with an adoption advisor today.